Good morning everyone. I hope you're alright with this pandemic. Today I will explain to you about, or I will present to you about the word sound A as in the cake. As we see right here, like sound in lesson 1 is sound A as in the cake. Test yourself what do you already about the spelling words with the A sound. Do this self-check. In option A, hear the sound which picture in each pair as a keyword sound A. Circle the tips. You can see in this in that picture it's like bait and bat, bake and bag, pain and pan. Same articulation, but they have a different meaning. Like a bait, bat, bake, bag, pain and pan. Let's go to the B. Identifies the sound. Circle the word with the H sound in a stressed syllable. What do you mean by a stressed syllable? As you see, stressed syllable that we have articulation to press it like this. If you see that the syllable is bold like this, this, and the others than any else, like in this, you might be read it in pressure like this. Let me show you. In nature, don't read in nature. You will say it nature. Nature. And this don't have a pressure, not a stressed syllable. You can read it by crest. Face, wave, braid, and this such a airmail. Don't say airmail, but airmail. Sorry about the plane. Next is banana. Don't say banana, but banana. Baseball, apple, flame. Don't have stressed syllable. Camera, brick, planet, avocado, angel, 6 and 8. Is that enough for today? But for you to have interesting with this material, you can visit in link in description. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't give it a like and subscribe. I'm Indra Saputra. Thank you.